Hello everybody. First of all, wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you Gauri ji for giving me such a lovely opportunity. I'm Suniti Saraf from Unbox Local. I basically deal in designer dupattas, different kind of dupattas like kalamkari dupatta, Banarsi dupatta, Lucknowi dupatta, and Madhubani dupatta, Fulkari dupatta, and so on. So some of my pieces are here. This is my Lucknowi dupatta. This is on net material, very soft net it is, and it is machine embroidery. This is not hand embroidery, this is machine embroidery, and it has small sequin work all over, and it looks very pretty. These you can dye it in any color. These are dyeable material. So this is one of my dupattas, and the next one is this is my Madhubani dupatta. Yeah, and the Lucknowi dupatta price is 990. This is my Madhubani dupatta, as you can see. This all is hand painted and then hand embroidered. The fabric, it is on Chanderi fabric, and very soft and very lightweight it is. Very pretty, it will go to look. So what I have done with one of my dupattas, I have made a koti of this. Very pretty koti it has come out. You can even do the same with the dupatta. These dupattas are very good for gifting too. I'll show you one more in my Madhubani design. These have very pretty peacocks over here. Full dupattas is hand embroidered and hand painted, and a very good material, soft material and lightweighted. It doesn't feel heavy. These dupattas for today, the offer price is 1250. Pick any at 1250 for Madhubani dupattas. One variety I have in Fulkari dupatta. These are also in Chanderi fabric, and these have gota work, as you can see. These are hand embroidered and these have gota work on it. These also look very pretty. You can see that this is other design, and I have many more design and variety in these colors, and all are available. These dupattas are for 12.99 each. This is only for today's offer. One Fulkari dupatta is this. This is a designer piece. It has double border. And it is also on Chanderi material fabric. These are for 1350. Best deal for Independence Day. These are my Banarsi dupatta, stole dupattas, you can say. These look very pretty. Very soft Banarsi dupattas. These are for 750 each. I'll show you one more of my design. As you can see, these Banarsi dupatta is 750 each. want, I can get the sets also done, kurta pieces like this. I have a kurta. Material is chanderi. This is unstitched kurta material, and these have a pretty dupatta with it, Banarsi dupattas. As you can see, these are for 1875. So I have these dhoti pants with a crop top, and this has a long shrug over it. These look very nice, and these are pure cotton ones, soft cotton you may say. These are for 1250 each. Then I have a set of skirt and a dupatta. This is a very pretty rayon skirt, festive wear. It has a gota work, as you can see over here. Very soft material. This is fully stitched skirt, and it has a dupatta like this. Very soft layer dupatta. So these sets are for 1300. And today's one more offer is there. If you purchase any of the items, you will get these portly bags absolutely free. These portly bags absolutely free, worth rupees 200. One thing more I will show you. These are rayon dresses which I have. Very pretty. I have many variety and colors in this. And this has a scarf with it, stitched scarf. Just you can, it has an elastic like this, and you can just put it like this on your neck. It will give a very different look. These dresses are only for 650 rupees. I have some turban hairbands for our cute kiddos. These are my turban hairbands. These are turban hairbands. I have lot of variety in these, and these are 120 each. 120 each. One thing more, last thing I want to show you. These are the copper bottles, which I get it manufactured. Best quality guaranteed. This is with my logo, Unbox Local. And as you can see, it is a zipper. Anybody can carry, office, car, kids, anybody. And see, it's pure copper and very healthy to drink water from it. This is 650 ml, and today's its MRP is 1099, and today's offer price is 690. Thank you so much.